And we're back at the bikes. We finished all appointments we had in Vancouver. Now Annie's just paying for parking. And then we're out of here. Vancouver behind us, and now we are on our way to cross the Lion Gate Bridge to get to North Vancouver because we're craving sushi. We actually have been in 2019. We have been here for vacation for the first time, and we had our Airbnb in North Vancouver. And same thing. We said, okay, we're in Vancouver. We have to try sushi, so we tried the sushi place darn close to like where we stayed back then, and the sushi was amazing, like amazing. So we said, okay, when we're going back to Vancouver and we have time before we have to catch a ferry, we're going to get some sushi. And it indeed is the case. We were so much faster down at the German embassy as we thought we would be, and are planning on catching the 3:30 ferry, which means we still have plenty of time to eat and then go relax to the ferry without rushing. And I mean, look at this bridge. Okay, just shut up and let you guys enjoy it. Wasn't it beautiful? One thing I usually am never missing is the traffic in big cities. Nope. Already in Kelowna, it's annoying enough as it is. Even though Vancouver is also quite a big city, same as Toronto, it has a complete different flair and vibe to it. Just like completely different. It's way more relaxed, way more clean, a little bit more modern, I find. The architecture is amazing.
Yeah, baby. Welcome selection of West Coast inspired apparel, specialty items, and gifts.
Hi! There you are! Suddenly! We made it to the ferry. Bikes are secure. The weather is perfect. It's like, I mean, look at that. Like, I don't even know how to even, not that, and that. It's just beautiful. I'm pretty sure you can tell by the entire mess that's going on with my hair here that it is really windy, but it's nice. Like, you can smell the ocean, you can see the landscape there in the background. The sun is awesome. It's a relatively blue sky, a little bit cloudy though, which is a perfect temperature. Not too hot, not too cold, but very windy. And we're on Vancouver Island. Woo-hoo, we made it. We're just literally going straight to our hotel, the Best Western. It's already right there. Packing up. Or like unpacking, let's put it this way. And then we'll see what we're going to do with the rest of the night. Probably not too much more though. We're both very, very tired. Well, if that doesn't look cute, I don't know what does.
Call
just had our dinner for tonight and it was really delicious, but we're just too tired, so we go to bed.